Your hair system is completely secure. There are no worries about that. With the techniques we use and the products we use, the bonding is completely secure. For example, in the mornings, you just shower and wash your hair like normal. You can dry your hair as normal. You can blow dry your hair and style it any way you like. Use product. That's not a problem. The gym, going swimming, any of these things, they don't cause any issues with the security of your hair system. One thing to note about that, when the hair system is bonded for the first time, we recommend 24 hours to wait before you wash your hair, just to make sure that the bond is absolutely secure. To get your hair system rebonded or refused, we would be talking about every 3 to 4 weeks to clean the scalp, clean the hair system, and get a nice fresh look again.